It's not often I get to review headphones that are truly unique. I'm Erin from TechGadgetsCanada.com, and I was really happy to get my hands on Samsung's new Galaxy Buds Live. These bean-shaped buds practically disappear into your ear, creating a flush fit that's subtle, and this alone differentiates them from most other earbuds out there. What else do the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live have going for them? How about a 21-hour battery life and noise cancellation? In this review, I'll take a look at the key features of these earbuds, how well they work, how they sound, and whether I'd recommend them for you. An early heads up, if you end up liking this video and finding it helpful, to please hit that like button and do consider subscribing, since it does help me keep making more videos that I hope everyone out there gets to watch, enjoy, and learn from. Let's dig in on some of the key features, like the ergonomic design and flush fit. Because these nestle in the part of your ear known as the concha, or the area just outside your ear canal, there's actually no need for silicone ear tips. So if you dislike having stuff jammed right in your ear canal, you might really like these. So no ear tips, but what you do get is a pair of silicone discs that can help expand the buds so you can get a tighter fit. I found they fit inside my ear pretty well. I will say though, they are quite fiddly to grasp since they are extraordinarily round and slippery, and if you don't have a good grip on them, they are way too easy to drop. I will say though, the fit is outstanding and it seems really comfortable even after long-term wear. You can use these buds via a simple Bluetooth connection from any device, but Samsung would rather you manage them using the Samsung Buds app. The earbuds will connect to the last device that you link them up to when you open up the case. If they don't connect automatically, or you do want to pair them with a new device, you can put the earbuds in, then touch and hold both earbuds for about 3 seconds until you hear a beep. Then go to your phone's Bluetooth settings menu and look for your Galaxy Buds Live in there. The app gives you a look at battery life for both the case and the buds. There's also EQ settings, and you can customize some other settings. The other big feature here is noise cancelling. Noise cancelling is the act of your headphones listening for sound around you and then using technology to digitally cancel out any external noise before it makes it into your ear. Noise cancellation should be a simple and straightforward process, and it'll essentially allow you to focus more on your music or your listening without that exterior sound bleeding in. Now, for the most part, noise cancelling is an on or off proposition, though with some headphones you can dial it in and adjust it. With noise cancelling off, you should be able to hear what's going on around you. With the noise cancelling on, you should be enveloped in a virtual cone of silence. I have to say, I was really disappointed with the noise cancelling. I tested the Buds Live with audio on low initially, and I noticed virtually no difference whether it was on or off, and that is a huge problem for me. I've tried probably dozens of headphones and earbuds, and proper noise cancelling makes a massive and very noticeable difference. Here in the Galaxy Buds Live, the setting might as well not exist at all, in my opinion. I was able to hear all external noise around me at pretty much the same level, whether the setting was on or off. These earbuds have simple equalizer settings that can adjust the overall sound of the music without too much fuss. The options are called normal, bass boost, soft, dynamic, clear, and treble boost. Again, I was disappointed with the equalization options. I flipped around among the various equalizer settings while listening to different kinds of music, and I found the differences between each of the settings so subtle that it was practically not noticeable at all. For that reason, I left the EQ settings at normal. I was also quite surprised there's no simplified options for just adding more bass or adjusting the settings myself. You must choose one of the preset options only. When it comes to sound quality, I'm happy to say these earbuds do sound great, and they really have killer bass. The overall sound is finely tuned and well balanced, I'd say. They create a nice, full, rich sound that sounds like it's coming from all around your head, not just beaming straight into your ear canals. Overall, I can't make any complaints about the sound quality. These earbuds sound really, really good, and they are a joy to listen to overall. These earbuds also come with simple touch controls. A single, double, or triple tap will handle any number of commands quickly and easily right on the buds. A common and very handy feature is the ability to find your earbuds. Oddly though, for this feature to work, I needed to be actually connected, have the earbuds, I should say, connected to my phone or device. If they aren't connected, this feature doesn't seem to work, and that seems kind of like an odd way to do this. Chances are, if I'm connected to my earbuds, they are likely in my ears or right next to me, and if not, I likely have no idea where they are, so to say I need to connect the buds to my phone to find them doesn't really work for me. Now, I will make a note here that I was using these with an Apple iPhone, and the experience may be different if you're using them with a Samsung phone, for example. So if you out there have experience with this and it does work a bit better from Samsung to Samsung, please post your thoughts in comments below. I would love to learn more about it. Battery level will show both in the app and on the case. The small button on the exterior of the case will glow red, yellow, or green to give you battery level at a glance. If it's red, you've got less than 30% battery left. If it's yellow, about 60%. When you charge the battery for the first time or when the battery is completely drained, you need about 10 minutes of juice before they will start to work. The earbuds recharge using a USB-C cable. Samsung promises that you should be able to get between 6 and 21 hours of battery life from these buds, depending on what you're using them for. Overall, I have mixed feelings about the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. I really like the fit and hideaway look of these buds. They are super subtle, and you can even sleep on them if you really want without them pressing into your ear or making you uncomfortable. I love the sound quality. The bass is killer, and everything overall sounds really great. Under the heading of things I didn't love as much, I do find the bean shape is very difficult to grip and grasp, and more often than I care to admit, I was trying to pop the beans out of my ears and would end up flinging them across my desk accidentally. With that said, they are still quite comfortable, so give some, get some. I also feel though like the noise cancellation, which is absolutely a key feature in my opinion, is instead hugely disappointing because it barely registers to my ears. So can I recommend these headphones for you? Well, based on the sound quality and the unique fit, absolutely. If you're purchasing your headphones here primarily for the noise cancellation abilities, I think you want to keep looking elsewhere. Samsung Galaxy Buds Live sell for about 199 Canadian dollars, and you can find them at most major retailers. If you want to read this review or reference any of what I've talked about, head over to techgadgetscanada.com where I've got a full write-up posted. You can ask me any questions you have about these earbuds, either there on the blog or, as always, here on the YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Erin. Until the next time, you can find me on either Twitter or Instagram. I'm at ErinLYYC. You can also always reach me through Facebook at facebook.com/techgadgetscanada.